This is the Champlain Hudson Power Express project.
The primary goal of this project is create a pathway for renewable hydroelectric energy generated in Canada and then deliver it to New York City.
One of the reasons this project actually got its permit was because of its use of trenchless methodologies to overcome the geotechnical, the urban, and the other conditions in the area that we'd have to kind of get around. So there's a series of protected wetlands, there's protected waterways, there's protected ecosystems, and there's also people. We're in New York State, there's lots of people here, and we just don't want to disrupt their lives. So trenchless is the only way to overcome those obstacles. So this is a true coalition effort for the Crossing Group. You have representation from the tunneling company, you have representation from the trenchless company, the crossing company LRD, the HED company, and the crossing company itself.
The Crossing Group is able to provide value for the project because of our toolbox. Our toolbox is huge with 60 trenchless spreads at our disposal. We're able to bring in all the men and equipment in from all over the US and Canada to make sure that this pipeline gets installed efficiently and safely.
So the benefit of the Crossing Group's fleet, which is over 60 plus trenchless spreads, is that we're able to pick the right tool for the job and not pick a specific tool just because that's the tool we have in stock or we have available. So one of the benefits is that on this project is sometimes we need an AT rig, sometimes we need a JT rig, sometimes we need 220, sometimes we need 2 rigs, maybe it's a maxi rig. There's a lot of different ways that you can actually get the board done, and Crossing Group is in a very unique position where we can provide enough resources and the right resources for the actual geotechnical considerations. The key successes we have on this project internally for the group is the ability to operate in this kind of coalition and joint environment. This is the first time the group has truly operated with all the different divisions working together, and we're able to kind of leverage and export each other's best practices to succeed and deliver something which is truly unique. Deploying and sustaining this many rigs, getting that inner bore mobility down, we're able to keep the rigs moving between the different bores relatively quickly, overcome geotechnical challenges, throw different rigs at the problems to be able to get over a specific ground condition, or maybe we have to suddenly do an intersect. Those are all things that take time and planning and resources to rapidly mobilize and execute. And because of the team and model we've set up to support this, we've been able to do that.